Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. I have got a lot of stickers. Over the past few years, bought a lot of products. They always throw a few stickers in the box, and or you get them at an event where they're giving them away. But anyway, I've decided to put some stickers on the side of my Corvette that will show who's supporting me. My sponsors, I guess, if you will. You know, it's not like anybody's buying me a set of tires or anything, but I do get a few products here and there, and they're good, and I use them. And if they're not good, I don't use them, and I walk away. But anyway, this looks like a big mess, but actually, I'm going to put most of this away. What I got was some vinyl, which is reusable vinyl off Amazon, clingy vinyl. It's got no adhesive on it at all. And I've used that for my race numbers, of course, because it's plastic Corvette, so magnetic numbers don't stick. Now I'm going to lay out a design on a piece of, what is it, 9 by 12? Yeah, 9 by 12 cling vinyl, and then these are sticky, so I'm going to stick them on there, and then I'll be able to put the vinyl on the car and take it off when I want to take it off. So thought I'd show you this. I'm just working out a different design, deciding who I'm going to put on there. My helmet is Pyrotech. I use DEI. Most of my autocrossing is Sports Car Club of America. I got a few items from Texas Speed and a few items from K-Tech, and I do sometimes blend up some racing gas with some regular gas. It's all unleaded, and to get my octane rating up a little bit. Maybe I'll do a video on that sometime. You guys and gals might be interested in how you blend gasoline, custom blending gasoline. But anyway, let me play around with this a little bit, and then I'll get right back to you when I get it finished. Well, that's what I ended up with. So I'm going to peel those and stick them on the vinyl, and then I'll put them on the car, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you are looking over my left shoulder, and I'm not going to try and measure this or anything. I'm just going to eyeball it. That's what I picked out. So I'm not going to bore you with every single one of these, but I will show you a couple that I'm putting on. The way I like to do this is never peel the whole thing off. Most of these are split like that, and you get like half of it off, and then you lay it where you want it. Like that. Then you stick down the half. That's a little off. Maybe I can correct it. Well, nah, that's on there pretty good, which is good. So you get half of it down there. Take your time a little bit more than what I did. And then you do the other half. Like that. You don't get any bubbles on it. That's not too bad. Maybe the other side will come out better. Anyway, I'll do the rest and then I'll show you. Okay, so this one doesn't have a split on the back. Somebody should tell them that it's better when they order these things to order the split. Let me show you what I'm going to do. And I just invented this. always hard to get it started. Come on. There we go. There. Okay, so what I'm going to do, very simple, I'm just going to cut it like that. Now I can lay it on there just like the other ones. Small thing, but yeah, every little trick helps, right? Now these two are going to have white background when I take off, when I take off this white background, which maybe I can show you. So this is going to have white background. That one's kind of solid white background. That one's going to be kind of clear on my black car, which I like. And that one's like full color all the way around. So let's get a couple more and then try it on the car. This is a little roller that I've got when I use when I put my my race numbers on. So I'm just going to roll these a little bit, and maybe they'll stick a little better. Let's see. I don't know. We'll just try it though. It won't hurt anything. Jags has got a little bubble. Sometimes you can work a bubble out with just your fingernail. Yeah, sometimes it's really not worth the time. Oh, let's stick it on the car and see what it looks like. Well, all right, there it is. So, not too bad. Could have put a little more space on that last one, Texas speed, and there is a little where the vent curves on that left front fender. There's like an airspace. I might be able to get that out, but I'm going to be taking this on and off anyway. Probably. I don't think I'll drive around every day with that on there. I'll just put it on for race days. So, yeah. Tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later, guys and gals. It's Sunday afternoon, wrapping up the weekend, and this was just a little fun project for me today. Yeah, car looks pretty clean, huh? See ya. Froggy out. Bye-bye.